Olivia decided we have to go on a hike. We have to go all the way up there. So in Switzerland they have these fountains that are just open to the public, and which is great because water is €4 or 4 francs, whatever. And no danger of being dehydrated in Switzerland. They're everywhere, and they just run forever. They're well water. That's really cool. I like it.
What?
You figure it out.
English! Haha!
The Americans try to learn public transportation in a foreign language. Get to the train. But it goes uphill. That's where we're going. The camera does not do it justice on the steepness of this incline. We're moving.
I don't like this. I feel like I'm on a roller coaster.
The town of Biel. There's another train coming at us, but I think it's gonna go around.
I hope
we're gonna go around. Pretty cool, huh?
It's amazing.
Beautiful. And you can stay at this gorgeous hotel. Wow. On the right channel, we don't know, but it sure is pretty. You can go up in Switzerland, you can go flat, but there is no down. So we're here at this, maybe a foundation? I don't really know. But all these trees have grown up around. But it's all been super worked. At the same time, it's all at the same elevation, so it looks like an old foundation for a building. Don't know when there's no signs around. So we went to Twannbach, which is actually a hotel, after walking an hour and a half.
And a playground.
And a playground, but it's being renovated.
And the hotel's closed. Yeah.
Then we found a kindly Swiss woman down the trail who told us where to go for the ferry, which is now directly downhill. And we found the water. It's where the waterfalls are supposed to be.
But I don't know, there's not much water.
So I think, well, they're in a drought.
Yeah.
So I think this is the right way. And it's gorgeous. They stack wood so well here.
This is literally the side of the house.
Yeah, it's off the ground, it's underneath the roof. Oh, so beautiful.
I think it's prettier because we just
so
walked 2 hours to get here.
That's super pretty. Now we have a long downhill.
Sean.
Everything here is built on a hill.
My legs are shaking yesterday.
Swiss people are part goat. Trying to make the ferry back to Biel. It's the last one for an hour.
Wanted to swim.
We've got 7 minutes to get there. That's where we climbed down from. All the way up there. Woo! So we came through the little door and the big door just to see if this is how we get in here. And now we're in the castle museum. So that's where we came in. Thought we were sneaky. Turns out just another public entrance. Oh, your bike is so light. I love it.
Me too.
So 28 minutes ago we decided we're gonna leave Biel and we're going to get on the train to go to Neu Chatel to see the castle because it's closed tomorrow because everything's closed on the holiday. And we made it with 10 minutes to spare. And we just need to make sure this this train actually leaves in 10 minutes
And
goes to Neu Chatel.
The lady nodded very vigorously though.
Yeah, I think we'll be alright. Olivia's so ready, she's got her helmet on.
I gotta get this off. I'm gonna guess they don't get many bike tourist visitors at Neu Chatel Castle. Also, I'm just gonna butcher that every time I say it. I'm trying. I'm sweating. Trying and dying. It was like this. And then it was more like this, and it's all like this. It looks even prettier after you've done that.
prisoner.
You give me limping, but you missed the part where I lift my bike.
We're a little bit tired.
Do I look like really bad?
No. Beautiful.
Huh?
Neu Chatel. It's great.